Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a very little but useful trick while editing. And what kind of editing? You can use it in photo editing, video editing, whatever you want. It's just about the technique. If you know the technique, you can even use it on the mobile apps. So today you're going to learn how to remove black backgrounds. You don't need to select anything, you don't need to do anything. You just remove any kind of black background from photo, video, from anything in just one click, and you can use it on any software you use. So today I'm going to show you in Premiere. So let's fire it up. Okay, so now first of all, let's make a new project, like untitled. No, let's have a title. Let's make it what? Now I have to think about it. Now make it tutorial. Okay, 01. Press OK. It's done. See, here is my name. It's my workspace. I personally use Premiere Pro in this setup. So these things, let me import it. Yeah, today I'm going to show you these things. I'm going to show you how to remove black background with these things. So this all downloaded from pixels.com, and for any kind of stock video photo I use Pixel. So it's not a promotion, I personally use it, so thought it would be helpful for you. So this is an image. Let's bring it up on the timeline. So yeah, this is beautiful, and my wallpaper is this way, so whatever. So now we have a stock footage. Now we have a stock footage like this. Yeah, this is kind of dust or something going up, and we can use it as snow on this image, as this image is very snowy. Even the snow is falling, see? So you can use it. I can use it. So I can use it. Okay, so we need to make, we don't need this part. See, it will not look natural in any way, and even not this. So we need to make a selection from which point to which point we need. So from here, press I to make the mark in, and here press O, and press O for the mark out. Okay, now this is the audio only, this is the video only. What do we need? We need only the video, so drag it up. Okay, now make the sequence like this. Now make the sequence like this. Okay, so we don't need this anymore. Close it. Okay, so now we need to scale it up a little bit. Yeah, it's okay. Now see, snow is going upwards, so we need to rotate the clip like 180 degree. Yeah, now it's falling down. So now we need to remove the black background to see the landscape, to see this image, but we need that snowy parts, that white dots. Okay, so now the trick. What do you need to do? Select the clip, just go to blend mode and change the blend mode into screen. Now it will look like this. You are welcome. Okay, so this is all for today. And now if you are thinking like, okay, we have learned the technique and now we don't need to make snowfalls in our video, so in which situation you're gonna need this technique to be used. So okay, this has some practical use, and let me show you one example, one practical use. So this is a video I have uploaded tomorrow. This is a video about how to track text in your video. Okay, so now I need to be like here a small animation of subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. So you can make it on After Effects with the PNG stubs and motion graphics, so it's cool. If you want to create something like that, absolutely fine. And I'm not making anything like that. I'm just using a small stock footage like this. Okay, so I need to just put it here, and let's play the video. Okay, so let's resize it and place it where you want. Now play it. Now you really don't need the black background, and you know how to remove the black background. So just select it, go to the blend mode, make the blend mode screen, and it's done. And it's done. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. Okay, now you have to just adjust the sound, like okay, so I think you have now an idea about how you can use it in your videos, how this works. And even the best part is you can even use that in photo editing and video editing. So you can find it in any software like After Effects, Premiere for video editing. For photo editing you can find it on Photoshop. Obviously blend mode in Photoshop is a huge thing. We can do a lot of things with that. And even see, there are several blend modes. If you want to learn what these all blend modes, how this all blend mode works, so comment down below, let me know. I can make videos on that too for you guys. And if you have any questions, suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. I will love to know from you. If you have any request of any kind of video related to editing, you can request it in comment section, and I'll see if I can make a video on that topic also. So this is all for today. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to hit the like and make some comments and share it with your friends. This is a very useful video and obviously a small trick. And those who are new on my channel, please subscribe for more videos like that. So this is all for today. See you in the next videos.